Hello, let's find out how to link your design with code in Xcode. First we need to start the Xcode project. I'm going to open some project that I have created before, and I'm going to choose my main.storyboard. Let's add a design. I'm going to add some button and a label. Okay, great. Now can you see this show the assistant editor button as two cycles? Click it. Now you are in the viewed controller.shift file, or you can choose it manually like this. Automatic to manual, project files, and here is view control.shift. Click it. Now first I'm going to connect this label with my code. To do that, I'm going to click and control and drag the code like this. So the connection, so there is a no actions user have to click. So connection will be outlet, and a name for this variable we can use text name or as you wish, and the type as your label. You have to click connect button to connect this variable with this layout component. Now with this button it shows where is your layout component available, like this you can see. Now let's connect our button with the code. Again click and control and drag it to code. Now the connection, as I'm going to choose the action because we want to check user is clicked our button or not, and a variable name for this I'm going to use btn clicked me, and the event as touch up inside, that means click like this. Or there is other options, touch drag outside, that means when you click, when someone click this button and scroll to up or anywhere, that means this event. Touch drag outside, but we selected touch up inside, that means click like this. Okay, now it's argument, we have to select the sender. Now let's choose the type as a UI button connect. Okay,